Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing Sephora Play. It's a subscription box and it looks like this, it comes like this. They give you 50 points every time that goes towards their point system, and they give you 5 things. And oh, my hero item of the day is this necklace from my Rachel Zoe video. You gotta go back and watch that. And this is her bracelets from a previous box. And then my Sephora hero item of the day is this Lash Craft mascara. Oh my gosh, this came in a previous box and I just want to tell you, I love this so much. Look at that. This is like for a glam look for the eyelashes. Love this mascara, go get it. Okay, starting with number 1. Okay, NARS, it's a NARS lipstick. Look at that, check out this color. Gorgeous, goes good with my burgundy shirt, and look at this color. I'm gonna put it on right now. Okay, yes please. Oh my gosh, I love NARS so much. So NARS lipstick, love it. I love NARS anyways. Number 2, Clinique. This is Moisture Surge, 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. Yes please. Okay, it's a moisturizer, gorgeous. Love Clinique. Okay, Clinique is where I got my under eyelash mascara. So someone was asking the other day. So Clinique. Then moving on, this is Bare Minerals. This is a dew mist. Okay, like a finishing spray, like this. Okay, whenever you're done with your makeup, put your finishing spray on and voila, love that. Okay, now next is, Sunday Riley. Okay, I love Sunday Riley. Sunday Riley, A+, high dose retinol serum. Okay, so that would be like night cream. Love that, perfect. And then Farewell Frizz by Briogeo. Oh good, okay, so this is what you put on your hair. Blow dry perfection and heat protectant cream. Okay, my hair is so frizzy. Can I just tell you, I use stuff like this all the time. So this is what it looks like. Love it, love it, love it. And yes, I will definitely be using that on my hair. And finally, okay, this is kind of weird. Glam Glow Super Toner Exfoliating Acid Solution. Lotion, okay. Really no, okay, and this color is disgusting. It's like this weird gray color, but I guess it's like a toner. Oh, but it actually smells good. So, all right, smells good. So that's it. If you don't know what to get someone for their birthday, for graduation, it's $10 a month. Get it for a year. It's great, makes a great gift. And if not, just go to Sephora and buy one of these items. Okay, my favorite thing I have to say though is this NARS lipstick. Love this. So go get yourself some NARS products and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Love you, bye.